Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in an ASUS C200 Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to avoid electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. You may also want to have a pair of tweezers handy, as they may be useful in handling small parts. The first step will be to use your spudger to carefully pry and remove the hinge cover. Next, you will carefully pry and remove the front bezel. Now, you will remove the 4 LCD mounting screws. Next, you will pull the LCD toward you and disconnect the LCD cable from the LCD. The LCD is now removed. The first step in the installation of your replacement LCD will be to reconnect the LCD cable to the LCD. Now, you will set the LCD into place and replace the 4 LCD mounting screws. Next, you will snap the front bezel back into place. The final step will be to snap the hinge cover back into place. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your ASUS Chromebook. Good job!